everyone, this is Cindy Created the Heart, and so I've got a variety of things to share with you guys, and first thing is some fun things that I made for my kids. I actually had a little, I don't know where it went. I had like a sentiment right here, but it kept falling off. I needed to glue it down better, so there will be a sentiment once I find it, or I'll put another one there. But basically, I use these little treat bag dies that I have from CC Designs. And so I did 2 of them, and I found this really cute kind of lion paper in my stash that I just wanted to use. I had 1 sheet of it. I wanted to go ahead and use it. And then these are some various die cuts from ephemera that I have in my stash. So I'll probably just pull out an ephemera piece and stick it here because I am trying to use the things that I have. So what is in here? So if you're looking for ideas to put in little tiny boxes like this one. So in this, I have 2 of these Lindt chocolates. These are the ones that kind of melt in your mouth. And then I have a little Twix. And then, so I just put the little strip of the paper because I had a little paper there. That one says Over the Moon. It's a $10 gift card for, and these I'm going to give to my children along with another little doohickey. So I have 2 of them. So one for my son, one for my daughter. And I'll put something there, you know. I don't get too fancy with them because they're just used to me making stuff. So they, you know, they just want to get to the inside. So then I made a couple, I guess, I don't know if they're called chip bags or I don't know. They're just a little bag that I like to make these types of bags. I make them all the time. This one is kind of wonky. So I use the rest of that lion paper to make the bag. And then this one, I also had 1 sheet of this paper. So I think this goes here. Okay, so they're both the same inside. So this one, I just used a heart doily and a couple of pieces of stuff from, I think it's an American Crafts or crepe paper, ephemera that I had in my stash. I think it's La La Love, that I just kind of layered that on there. But this one's probably going to be for my son, but I think either one will be fine for him. He doesn't really care. So this one, I actually used my cooling rack from Snap Market along with this Love and Cookies stamp set. I have the die for that as well. And so I stamped this in a silver ink, and then I used clear embossing, and then I embossed it. And then, oh, I forgot to pull out the other thing I have. I must have put it away. I have the cookie alphabet stamp set from Snap Market also, which is what I used for my letters, my alphabet. And then I used the heart cookie for my O. And I just colored them up with my Copics. And so and I just used a doily right here. So what's inside? So let me show you what's inside of here, just really simply. I have this Hershey's heart. I think it's like a heart, I don't know. And then I have packed gum. So they get all kinds of fun goodies from Mom because that's how I roll. And let's just close that up. And so those are my little fun things there. And then I decided to use the leftover paper that I had here and make a card. So the card, I just use that paper as my background, and the cooling rack I just stamped in, this is a Tailored Expression little ink cube. It's like a lighter brown. I don't really know what the name of it is. It's like a suede, I think. So for this, I did the same thing. I just stamped my little letters, and I cut them out because I have the cookie alphabet die, and I used the stamp set here for my heart cookie, and so I think it came out really cute. And so what I did with my letters is I used my white gel pen to do some lines and then some dots. I just thought it gives it a little extra something. And then I had, if you'd watched one of my earlier videos, I showed some sentiment strip stamps and dies I have from various companies. I think this one's a Tale of Expressions one. And so I just cut and layered a whole bunch of these, and I have them in a bag on my craft table, my other craft table. I have 2 craft tables, but, and this is the one that I film, and then I also like watch my Zoom videos for work a lot of times here because I have some lighting. But anyways, I have them there, and so my plan to eventually is when I get to making some birthday cards, because I have like birthday ones, I will stamp them a couple of times, and I'll just have sentiments ready to go in a bag. So if I ever need sentiments, I can just go digging around in there to find the perfect sentiment. But this is a really cute little card, I think. Really a little fun card. And so another card for my Valentine's Day stash. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Crying with the Heart.